seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
So anyways, back to it. So I didn't like the cheap Chinesium. So I went ahead and got the Asus Hyper M.2 X16 COD V2. Anyway. Ooh, brushed aluminum. Nice. So I guess it's got 4 screws. Take off the cover. Put my M.2 in.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side.